Today, I want to share with you SoGal's Black Founder Startup Grant. This is specifically for Black women and Black non binary founders. Black women entrepreneurs receive less than 0.5% of venture capital funding. I strongly want to encourage you to apply for this grant. If you qualify, you could receive a $5,000 or $10,000 grant for your business. Applications are open, up and running, and there's no current deadline or end date at this time. In order to qualify for this grant, you must self identify as a Black woman or a Black non binary entrepreneur. This is inclusive of multiracial Black women and multiracial Black non binary people as well. You must have a legally registered business. You must plan to seek investor financing in order to scale your business now or in the future. And you must have a scalable, high impact solution or idea with the ambition to be the next billion-dollar business. The criteria for selection includes the following. Number one, they want to see your story. They're looking for qualities like passion, business savvy, and vision. Number two, they want to know your plans for growing or starting your business. Now, they don't necessarily need a formal business plan, just some explanation of how you will achieve your business success, which could include things such as marketing, your team, etc. Lastly, they want to know the plans that you have for use of the grant money. The application can be accessed at iamsogal.com, and the link is included in the description. Let me know in the comments if you will be applying to this grant.